In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email sequence. Let's walk through building a simple, effective series of automated emails inside your Pipedrive account, from the first message to your final follow-up. Start by logging into your Pipedrive account. Once you're in, head to Pulse. Think of Pulse as your automation and outreach command center. It's where you create, organize, and track the actions that run for you in the background. From there, open Sequences. Sequences are predefined sets of actions, most commonly emails, that are sent automatically based on timing you choose, so you can consistently follow up without manual work. Create a new sequence and choose to start from scratch. Next, pick Leads. A lead sequence targets people in your leads inbox, which is perfect for early-stage outreach before a formal deal is created. Continue to the builder and rename your sequence with something clear and searchable, like New Inbound Follow-up or Trial Nurture, so your team instantly understands its purpose later. Add your first step and choose Email. An email sequence is a series of scheduled messages that go out over time. Set this first email to send in 5 minutes. A short delay helps avoid an instant sent feel and gives your system time to enroll the lead. Choose to send it automatically so it goes out without manual approval. Type a concise subject line, then write your message. Keep it relevant, friendly, and short. If your account supports placeholders like first name or company, personalize your message to boost reply rates. When you're happy, save. Add your second step and select Email again. Set the delay to 2 days. This timing means the second email only goes out 2 days after the first, typically only if there's been no reply. Use this message to add value, maybe a quick resource or a single question that makes it easy for the lead to respond. Write your subject and message, then save. Add one more step for a final follow-up. Choose Email, set the schedule to 3 days, and send it automatically. Keep this last touch polite and to the point. Acknowledge previous attempts and invite a simple yes or no. Add your subject and message, then save. Finally, enable the option to stop the sequence when an email is replied to. This safeguard automatically halts future emails as soon as a response comes in, preventing overcommunication and keeping your outreach human and respectful. That's it. Your email sequence is ready. If this helped, subscribe for more.